What's up, phone nerds? Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a really quick unboxing of the brand new Xiaomi Mi 10T 5G. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and drop a comment, I can show you how to get the best price. Now this particular phone has a 6.67 inch, 144 Hertz refresh display. It's dual SIM. It's got a Snapdragon 865 processor, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and comes in 128 gigs of memory with either 6 or 8 gigs of RAM. If you buy it from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Take the top off, and you get this little insert that says designed by Xiaomi. SIM eject tool, 3.5 millimeter to Type-C. So you got a little adapter just like the iPhones used to have. Guides, books, and this little Xiaomi soft case. It does say Xiaomi right there. That's pretty cool. Got the phone here. 64 megapixel AI camera, 144 Hertz display, as I mentioned, 6.67, full HD dot display, Snapdragon 865, and 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 33 watt fast charging. So, and you can see here, this little tab means nothing has ever been touched in the box. Keep that in mind. You got your USB cable here. Looks like this guy is USB-A to USB-C. And then this giant charger, if I can get it out of the box here, I can. Now I include an adapter with every purchase, so all you do is slide it on right there, and you're good to go. Plugs right into the wall. And that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing too crazy on this one. I'm not going to take this out in this particular video, but that's what you get if you buy it from me, and I hope you do. As always, thanks again for watching, and I look forward to providing you with your new Xiaomi Mi 10T phone. Thank you.